Hi guys, yun yan, update lang sa Ayala Land na stock na feature natin the last time. And yun nga, sabi nga natin, it will eventually break out even though there's a lot of uncertainties. Malakas yung mga geopolitical tensions, may war, but then there's ceasefire, bumaba yung dollar, and yun nga, nagpuntahan yung mga investors to the emerging market, no? So all of this information talagang available yan sa Truly Rich Club, and we are helping people to invest in the stock market, no, sa Philippine stock market. And if you're interested, nandiyan yung link niya sa may description box or sa may bio natin, so kindly check it out. And yun nga, nag-break out yung Ayala Land from the resistance. So way back when it's falling, yun nga, 22 parang 2022, I'm featuring this stock na sabi ko, bili lang kahit na may oversupply ng condo, oversupply sa real estate, etc. And Ayala Land will still be one of the premium na when it comes to real estate. So that's what happened, yeah, no? So we continue buying it from the low from the low price at around 2022. Now it's 28, so it's around what, 25-30% kasi kinos average natin. So it's something na yung stock na yan it's something na pwede mong puruhan. Kumbaga parang totoong real estate na, totoong ano na, no? So parang totoong or parang tangible na real estate na per block niya is like what, million. So you can put the same amount here with Ayala Land kasi it's one is blue chip, and hindi ko pa nakitang nag-negative yung financials nito. So they're very good in managing the company. And as you know, there's a lot of malls, offices, hotels, etc. Itong Ayala Land. So I don't see na talagang magiging overvalue or magiging overrated to, especially at this price, 22 or 20. Now it's 28. So I would say that there's still an upside here, around 36 to 40. So that's my target. And ang all-time high nito is around 60. So we are only targeting 40. We can still target 50, but I don't think it will be anytime sooner. So yun lang, finisher natin tong stock na to. Like what I said, na talagang this is one of the stock na talagang titrade ko na for a long time, and na talagang gusto nating puruhan, especially at this kind of level, no? So and in just short amount of time, in just 2 weeks time, no? So yan na yung price niya. So sobrang laki ng itinaas niya. So 25 to 30% is really big. Walang kumpanya na masyadong nakagawa niya, no? So it's as a retail investor, retail trader, talagang this is a really big profit for us. So that's it. I invite you to join Truly Rich Club. Again, everything about investing, like how-tos, tutorials, etc. And kung paano mag-buy, paano mag-sell, when to sell, and when to buy, what stock, anong gaano karaming i-allocate natin dyan, what's the percentage in allocation ng fund natin. So something na tinuturo natin, or something na talagang sinishare natin in the Truly Rich Club. So I invite you to join it. Nandyan na yung link niyan sa may bio natin. So see you there.